Today, we will discuss about bellow pressure gauge. Did you know how we can measure the pressure of flow of water or a substance in a certain place? One of the instruments that we can use to measure the pressure of flow is bellow pressure gauge. There are two types of bellow pressure gauge, a single bellow and a dual bellow pressure gauge. A single bellow pressure gauge measures a system gauge or vacuum pressure, whereas a two bellow pressure gauge or a dual measures absolute and differential pressure. A single bellow pressure gauge measures pressure relative to atmospheric pressure, in other words, gauge and vacuum pressure. System media flows into the pressure gauge through the gauge pressure inlet for low pressure applications. Media flows directly into the bellows. And for high pressure applications, the media flows around the elbows. The difference in pressure inside and outside of the bellow causes to expand or contract. The bellows is mechanically linked to the pointer. Bellow expansion and contraction proportionally moves the pointer to indicate the media's pressure. Bellows are typically spring-loaded, preventing their full expansion, which minimizes the potential for damage to the bellows. And a dual pressure gauge are typically used to measure absolute pressure. One bellows is evacuated and sealed, making it a perfect vacuum. The other bellows is connected to the system process pressure. The two bellows are joined by a motion balance mechanism on a fixed pivot. Increase in measuring to expand, which tilts the motion balance mechanism and moves the needle that indicates absolute pressure. And these are the parts of a bellow pressure gauge. Bellow pressure gauge is made of thin-walled springy metal connected tubes that form a shape similar to an accordion. This is sealed in the free end of the gauge, and pressure is applied. It acts on the bellows on the free end, causing it to expand and produce movement.